Recently released is Egis Mobile Electric's new 5604 delay-on one-shot relay, and today we are releasing another product in the PT Series solid-state relay family, the new 5603 on-delay single-output relay, which enables and disables time-sensitive circuits with precision, turning the output on after a programmable delay time. This compact relay is great for 12-volt electrical systems with confined install spaces. Easily set programmable time and other settings with the dip switch under the ceiling cover here. This unit is sealed to IP67 rating, and since it's constructed of durable high-temp materials, it's perfect for installing nearly anywhere on your vehicle, including the engine bay. An integrated LED indicator makes output status easy to see, and convenient wires with integrated input power fuse protection enables additional circuit protection while maintaining wiring ease. Click the link in the description below for more info.